come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Bink hobby. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Bink hobby. This is Defi bully. Ah, man, you won't believe what just happened. I just recorded a video. I did a buy-in and everything, and there was no audio. Can you believe? Oh, my God. Bear with me, people. All these miners got my mind like, ooh. But speaking of all these miners, let's narrow the list down to some of the best miners that I've been coming across. I've been in Spooked Beans for 5 days now. Okay? 5 days. And no, I don't think it's too late to get in. I actually think this is a good opportunity to get in. Look at this contract balance. Look at this contract balance. But before I even go no deeper, press that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. This DeFi is time sensitive. I want everybody, like, you know, hip to what's going on. Now, in my honest opinion, this is one of the best passive income streams that has coming out as a fork to Baked Beans. If you take a look at Moonarch, I've been consistently like following these for the past few days, and Spooked Beans has been one of my, okay, good thing I caught this right before, because I had this in it a while ago, and then I deposited $100 worth of Phantom. Oh my goodness. But if you guys don't believe me, you can check my Phantom scan, okay? Well, I just deposited $100 worth of Phantom into this because I wanted to just add a little bit to my gains. It has been consistently around $16, $17 a day since I've gotten in 5 days ago. Oh, actually, here go my Phantom scan right here. There we go. Let me refresh this. Okay. As you guys can see, since I joined about 5 days ago, and I bought some eggs, I reinvested about 8 times, added some more Phantom today, and actually deposited that. I bought more eggs, as you can see. Sorry that I didn't get to catch that on video. I can't believe it. I didn't even realize till I was uploading everything. Ain't it the worst? But yeah, so that leads me to the winning strategy for the Spooked Beans. The winning strategy is the best way to keep these contracts sustainable, and that's to compound 6 and to claim 1. Compound at least 6 days a week, people, and claim 1. That way the rewards will continue to come for months to come, to years, for years to come, hopefully. Okay, since I did that, as you can see, I'm already gaining. I made a deposit about 20 minutes ago. I'm already gaining. Look at that. Look, it might not be a lot, but it's getting there. And if you guys can tell or realize, my page isn't monetized. So a lot of this, I'm coming out of my own pocket for this. So these projects, I really do believe in them. I was on the AMA earlier with Spooked Beans, alongside Yo-Yo, Crypto Rock, and I forgot the other guy's name. I'm sorry. But you guys gotta go down here to the Telegram. Cool thing is you could just go right there and press the pin, and they'll show the last AMA that was going on today. So that's also something real cool. It's a good community as well. And if you guys want one-on-one with me, you could go to my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. I'll put the link down below, where we go over a lot of hidden gems and new things and stuff like that. So let's go over these tokenomics. There's 2% fees, lowest of any miner they claim. 1% dev fee, 1% fee goes to rug insurance. And I could testify to this. I did hear people actually give their testimony that they were actually paid for rug insurance. I haven't seen a platform do that. And it seems like something just to show that they really care about the people, and they at least try to help, even though they didn't have anything to do with some of these rugs that's been going on, but they still helping out, and they're trying to bring in new investors to their platform, which I definitely respect. Rewards can be reinvested and withdrawn daily. To ensure the max rewards 8%, we recommend the following strategy: re-spook 6 days a week and harvest 1 day a week. This strategy has been battle tested and proven to maximize returns of both short-term and long-term. And please note, you cannot withdraw your initial investment, only the earnings. You only can take out the earnings that's made, which is the rewards right here, which pays out at 8% a day. And I could attest that it's been paying out exactly how they claim it should be paying out. All right. Now, I know it might be a little bit of points I missed. This is like my second time filming this, and I'm so sorry. I wanted to document everything accurately, but now I have 760 beans. I believe before I had like 500 something, if I'm not mistaken. If not, boy, okay. I'm pretty sure I made some type of screenshot. I might include it in this. But yeah, to me, Spooked Beans has been holding up the strongest compared to the other forks out there, and there's many forks. So just to show your support to the channel and to the team, use my referral link down below. And when you get someone else to join, let them use your referral link. Use each other's referral link. I found out that's a good way for everybody just to add more to the contract, to get newer investors, and as well as grow your own bag. So that's something definitely good to look into and to keep in mind while you're going through these things. And they do pay 12% of the deposit that the person uses with your link. All right. Now, shout out to everybody out there trying to get in DeFi. You know, this is a crazy world. It's a Spooked Beans world. Nah, man. Stay blessed, people. I'm going to make this one nice, sweet, and short. I don't want to waste too much time. This is my second time recording. I'm hoping it ain't got to be a third or a fourth. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.